Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's make some patchwork art journaling. I am a big fan of patchwork. I like to make journals with patchwork and then I have this idea that I need a pouch for my markers. So I make this kind of pouch that is very handy to use. Here are my favorite markers and then I have this thought that I need another pouch for the other stuff, for all the brushes and scissors and erasers and such. So last week I finished another pouch and here are my other things. And while I was doing this, I had this idea that it would be so much fun to use this idea for art journaling. So today I think we are going to try that and see how it turns out. But yes, let's use this size art journal and for this one. I think this will be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's do some art magic. And now let's start with the drawing. I will draw little patches. Like over here, you can draw all kinds of shapes to your patchwork. Hearts and flowers and squares and rounds and so on. Now I will start with some kind of shape, and I think I will just do something like this. Just draw some simple shapes to the paper. Then I will make a round. And then let's do another one here. This is a patchwork, so it can be wonky, it doesn't have to be sharp. And then you can make these shapes go under each other and over each other, however you like. And then you can make also little flowers. And you can make also bigger shapes if you want. Yes, I think we are done now, and now let's start the painting. And today I will be using some watercolors. Now the painting part is ready and dry. And next let's use some markers to add some stitches and decorations. Let's start the embellishing. I do love this part. Now the decorating is done. And next I will add some depth to the patchwork here and there. Some kind of shadowing with some colored pencils. This was an amazing little art moment. I truly enjoyed this. And if I have to think of one word that describes this patchwork is jolly. And speaking of jolly, while I was doing this, I had this thought, and this needs a bit jolly too. I will turn this into a jolly journal on Taika Journal's Patreon on March. And that video will be also available for free members. So, if you want to see that, I will leave a link in the description box and in the comments. Yes, but I have to say that this truly combined my two favorite things to do are journaling and fabrics. And I really recommend this if you want to do something small and joyful. But okay, until next time, and thank you for watching. And a warm thank you also to the creative community over at the Taika Journal's Patreon. Have a lovely week and lots of joy to your creative moments. Moi moi!